Hey, this is Riley from McNaught Cadillac, and today I'm going to show you our 2016 GMC Canyon. This is a gorgeous little work truck here, 1/4 ton. Plenty of power in the 3.6 liter V6 engine paired with the 6-speed automatic transmission. Now I want to point out something here. This is a 2.5 inch front and rear level kit, so you've got quite a bit of ground clearance over a stock Canyon. Now down here you're going to find Duratrac off-road tires on SLT 18-inch chrome wheels. Very nice wheels here. We took those from a higher trim Canyon and stuck them on this one. So a great aggressive appearance. Now over here on the front you'll find your standard HID headlights with the LED running lights around. You also have your front tow recovery hooks, engine block heater of course. And just look at that truck. Nice little work truck here. As we head around the back, LED taillights. Once again, you have your hitch on the back to hook up a trailer and you're good to go. Now taking a look inside the Canyon, this is our dark ash leather interior. Very simple, minimalistic interior here. All the basic stuff you need, your power 1 touchdown windows. You also have your automatic 4x4 just next to the steering wheel, as well as your light controls and your interior brightness. Also on the driver's seat you are going to find your 6-way power adjustable seat controls. Now I've gone ahead and taken a seat inside the Canyon here. Look at the dash. You have 46,098 kilometers as of this recording, so very low KMs. For a 2016, you still have factory warranty on here and our GM certified warranty. Now on the front dash, you are able to configure that center display using the stack here on the column. And if you want to scroll through there, you're going to find your vehicle info such as your trip counter, your tire pressure, and your oil life. So all useful information right there in front of your eyes. Also want to point out you do have cruise control, of course. Now let's take a look at the radio system here. It is a 4-inch non-touch display, but you've got all your audio commands, including your FM, AM radio. You also have a phone for Bluetooth pairing if you want to pair up a cell phone, play some music through Spotify. That's going to work great. And OnStar nav system, turn-by-turn navigation. Now heading on just a bit lower, you're going to find your standard climate controls. You also have your traction control button, your box light, and your trailer tow mode. Now, a cool thing about this Canyon is if you put the vehicle into reverse, you do have your backup camera. Now this does have trajectory as well, so the lines are going to turn and guide you as you back up. A couple more connectivity outlets you have, USB port, auxiliary, and a 12-volt charging outlet down below. As we take a look inside the center console, another charge outlet and plenty of deep storage space. And overall, what a great little truck here. Now this is the double cab, so if you open up the second portion of the door, you are able to fit 2 more passengers in the back seat. Now the room isn't great back here, but once again, if you have kids or smaller passenger, there's no problem getting them from point A to point B in this reliable truck. So I invite you over to McNaught Cadillac Buick GMC to come take a look at this Canyon for yourself. It's in excellent condition here, and we've got plenty more similar used trucks on our lot that you may be interested in. So come on down to 1717 Waverly Street and we will help you out.